The thing is, yeah, with Taba, I feel like Tolimbango Day. Hello, bonjour, bonsoir et bienvenue à la liste top 5. Moi, je suis votre présentatrice préférée, Sylvia K on the mic, as per usual. Guys, today we've got another episode. Today we are bringing you guys your favorite game show in its fullness. The thing that makes, you see, with culture comes food. There's no food without culture. There's no culture without food. Well, there's no food without a Congolese. Bon. Guys, est-ce que vous êtes prêts?
Yeah.
Oui, bien sûr. Bien sûr. Bon. Bino déjà besoin de ma liste na bino.
Yeah.
Liste na bino. 2 minutes on the clock as per usual. The time starts now.
Top 2 and then number 2.
Iboke Angola.
I don't know about that one, you know.
Well, we can argue in it.
But number 2 as well. Nah.
Number 2.
He put
I'm
my
not
number
Iboke
2. I
Angola.
put Makaya.
Is that good? Is that it's basic? But chat up so.
Something like leaves, they cook it. It's like a freaking.
Bon, chat poulet mayo. Mais bien poulet mayo à Kinshasa. Il y a bandal. Ouais, il y a bandal. So que ça bandal te, ils ont la top 3 te.
5, 4,
Yeah, cool.
3,
Wait, let me see. Okay.
2.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, cool. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready? Yeah. Do you know what?
Liste on a pissé Nzala.
I'm hearing on this side, he's arguing for certain things. His team is not letting him in. But can give a frontier on Premier, bro. They're not having it. But you guys seemed alright, you know? You guys are even saying, oh, where you would get here in Kin or whatever.
Masoula damage, ça kana monter. Masoula damage.
Zara est in the world, mais qu'on y a été.
Ah, franchement. Tu vois plus de lobby bien.
See, you see them kiddo penako zanga nyoso menzala biloko lia kozanga ngote ça très nécessaire dans la vie, très important dans la vie. Like you just don't like miss out everything in the world but not food. You have to have food, like mandatory.
So, as per usual, you guys know we are your favorite game show. Of course, what is it without our special segment? The segment where you can ultimately win the whole show. Still, salé ba recherche, ba tribe bazalaka e belé na Congo. Mais, within this game, we brought it down to 4. We know there's many, so if you're not from these 4, bogangala bisote pardon te yebito. We can't write everything down. So limbisa. So in these 4 tribes, you guys are going to let me know what the general like speciality is within that tribe in regards to food, of course. All right? Okay, cool. Bayombe.
Takamadesu.
Ah,
My guy.
yeah.
Congo Brazzaville does it all anyways.
Come on, cool de Londres in the building. Come on, man.
Alright, cool. Bon. Et pareillement, balou babaliaka.
Madesu na sukali.
But other than that, they are also known for eating what?
Pondu.
No.
I mean, there. Fufu, chibede.
Well done.
Congo.
So that's another one.
Representing.
All right, cool.
Keep the points, huh?
Bangala, they're known for eating.
Lituma.
That's true. Actually, that's true. You see that one, yeah? Bangala, merci, because you see that one. Who would have thought plantain can be made into something so beautiful?
But I thought Lutuma, everyone eats Lutuma, no?
Yeah, but it derives from their tribe.
Ah bon?
Yeah, it does. Okay, that's a bonus point because that's not what I have here, but that's a bonus point. I'm gonna give it
Matabis,
to
we'll
you.
take it.
All right. But what else are they known for eating? What's the main thing they're known for eating?
Come on, you got
You're
this.
close. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds.
Liboke.
No.
Bangala.
Bangala.
Bangala. No. Ay, nasama.
I don't
Alright.
know.
Sunday
No
food,
worries.
definitely.
They are known for eating pondu ya pai pai nanguba.
Bilialia.
I can't lie to
Bon,
you.
c'est là.
C'est Bilialia. Eh, Boni.
C'est là. Nguba, Pondu.
Pondu ya pai pai nanguba, oui.
Pondu pai. I can't lie. Na ebi amote.
You haven't eaten it yet?
Nah, I
Neither
haven't
have
had
I,
that
but
yet.
you
I've heard
know
it,
what?
but I
I'm
haven't.
interested. Because
Yeah.
they made little mas, so they can make good things at this point.
Banga balambaka.
Yeah. But not like
Jali.
Bambala, big up la Medivine.
To Jali.
Yonde, Bangote.
To Jali.
Bon, but Congo, they're known for what?
Pondu.
Makaya,
Makaya, ouais, c'est vrai.
Mansesa.
We have also another fish comme ça, Tolia Kazila. Mpiodi.
No.
Eh?
But you guys are
No,
known for it.
Sakindeki.
Kisa Kini.
Kwanga.
Yeah.
Kabamba Kwanga.
Okay, I'm gonna give you guys that one. What else?
What else? Madesu.
Yo, tunanga honga la tu.
En fait, je sais pas, justement, Congo, mais je te dis des trucs bozo.
Wandakala?
Dakota.
Nah.
No, not
It's like
that
one of Swahili.
Really?
Yeah.
I love Dakala.
Or is it the meat? Is it the fish? It should be a fish, by the
It's
way.
a stew.
It's a stew.
Yeah, something that we eat a lot.
Nikila.
Damn.
They,
What?
Ngombe.
Damn.
they.
Don't
We
name
don't
every
eat. We
single
don't eat
street.
meat. We don't
Hold
eat
on,
meat.
what? Is that meat?
That's what my brain
Is it meat?
Tilapia.
I think they're bad with them zombo. Like, Michel
I'm gonna give you
Kauka.
guys one more chance.
What, Michel Kauka, no? Banzombo, like.
Michel Kauka, we eat it also.
No. Okay, alright,
No.
I'm gonna give you also.
Oh, Mfumbwa.
Oh, well done.
Fumbwa.
Well done. On the last literally, I was about to
Nzombo
wrap
le
it up.
soir, Fumbwa.
Hey, Congo
let's go.
boy.
Okay.
Congo
go.
boy, he's
Let's
living
go,
up
let's
to
go.
his name. He's
Let's
living
go.
up to his name.
Let's go.
The others are known for, so within the Bakongo tribe, as we know, Bakongo is a very, very big tribe in Congo. Bangonde, Bakongo, oui, déjà. They're known for Fumbwa, Bambika, and Wangila.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Wangila, yeah.
Wangila, that's what they're known for. Bon, as we can see, Congo boy has won this lot for your team. Big up Congo boy. At this point, I'm gonna call Congo boy.
Part of the team.
Bozela, don't you see the way I said well done, Congo boy?
Hey, listen, man. I'm called Congo boy for a reason, fam. Is that take no soki about fancy, soki about sentiment? That nah, it's not even that. That analia be look about tribunyo so na mongo mongala anamongo. That's me. You get me? Yeah, nalia takamade sushe mama panzu na batandu. Obviously, RIP mamonde kwa wilo. Nalia mfumba ya Congo na kwenge. Yeah. Nalia bilu we bele. Donc masula damas do koko sangate o comprendre. Mais to sukika wana. Bana matete to telema. Bana Congo bendele ko yate.
Faites comme moi. Je viens de trouver une solution pour ma famille. Mon oncle à Brazzaville, ma mère à Kinshasa. Na tindeli bango mbongo na Taptap Send. Netika kozo tinda SMS, me tindi mbongo. En plus, transfert d'argent sans frais. Netika na Croix-Rouge. Faites comme moi, vous téléchargez l'application na bino ya Taptap Send. Kaka na téléphone na yo. Otindi esika ozali, ye pe azwi esika azali. Pona numéro oyo ezali na M-Pesa, RTL Money to Orange Money pona Kinshasa, MTN Money to RTL Money pona Brazzaville, Taptap Send na beti na send mbongo. Yamba mbongo ata na minuit. Taptap Send mbongo elongo na poche ekoti na chombo. Taptap Send, you send me, send you.
Number 5 is Ngulu Batumba.
Ngulu Batumba Moscow nga naza na souvenir ya Njili. Makelaki Njili na bapesaka penza ngulu moko boye bachanga bia pilipili bani moi moyennes na pembeni boye siko nalia na kwanga anza te plawana.
Wait, Benini, do you know what? Yeah, what is the bondage that Congolese people have with mayonnaise?
I don't know, but it's lovely. I want to know that.
It goes well with everything.
It goes well with
well with
everything.
Yeah.
Is that Benza bondage?
Avec Kwanga.
Yeah.
Na Kwanga?
Makemba.
Voilà. Allez, bon continuer. Numéro 4.
Number 4, we got Soso Batumba. Anything.
You wanna say below Bonani?
Okay, fair enough.
Is literally the goat, well, the goat boys. I hear the goat of the meat, mais is that goat stay, man?
Yeah.
Is that quand même, voilà
It's
quoi.
got the hierarchy.
Voilà, exact, voilà.
Number 3 is Poulet Mayo.
Poulet
Poulet
mayo. La
mayo.
bandale, hein?
Eh,
La
carrément,
bandale.
il y a
Il y a l'homme
pototé, il y a
doté.
pototé.
Il y a pototé. N'a précisé bien, il y a bandale.
La bandal.
Yeah.
Papa Yonde.
Number
Sorry, sister.
Yeah.
Yo, look back in there. She started saying, okay, see what I'm gonna say. Guys, she started singing Poulet Mayo de Mayo. Poulet Mayo de Mayo.
That's how much I love food, yeah? Nice try.
So for number 2, we got Thompson.
Yeah.
Thompson Batumba.
Yeah, no, don't kill
Thompson
me.
is Makemba, Mwanga, Fufu, Loso,
Thompson na pilipilité.
And then for number 1,
Numéro
Goat
1.
of the goats.
Kangaba feti nyoso. Taba. Na matungulu on top. And then pilipili
Shout out to my
zanga.
guy Randy, hein? Pilipili. Ah, non, la vérité.
Pilipili zanga te.
Pas de problème.
So that's our top 5.
I like
Il y
your
a
list.
poussière, hein? Il y a poussière, hein?
Il y a poussière, bien sûr.
Yeah,
Bien sûr. Bon, guys.
Number 5, we got Mipan. It's not even number 5, bro.
It is, yeah. I'm going that way.
Oh, number 5 we have Mipanzi.
Oh, so you got your one in the end, yeah?
What? You have to have Mipanzi in there. You have to
Articulate,
have Mipanzi in there.
articulate,
I don't understand how you cannot have
articulate.
Mipanzi in there.
Pansy's a real meat.
It's actually, it's a good beat though. I'm not gonna lie.
Mipanzi.
Mais top 5 na évité.
Top 5.
It's a good
Merci, merci, merci.
Okay, shout out to Congo Boy. He really took one for the team many times. We appreciate it. But what happened to team spirit when we picked a certain meat and you were so against it? Yes, you don't have to eat it. No one forced your hand. Leave the mipanzi alone. There was 2 against 1. Come on now. Let's work as a team here. Come on.
I swear, Congo boy, you held up for our team, but when it came to the Mipanzi, you wasn't giving me Congo boy vibes no more. Like, if you want Mipanzi, bro, come to my house. Yeah, but you gotta eat well. I'll tell you, you gotta like it. You even go change it, you stop the fish thing, and you jump onto the meat again.
Number 4.
So number 4, we got Kamundele.
Okay.
It's definitely go-to for parties as well. You know, just pick up the stick and just start yamming. It may be tough sometimes. It depends where it gets made. You know what I mean?
The most basic of meats, mais c'est pas grave.
Your opinion. Your opinion.
It's popular.
It depends how it's done.
It's not basic.
No, it depends what you
get
put
wrong.
in it.
You
Nah,
have to get
man.
right.
When them ones when you have the
Faith
beef,
na
you
bine
got
zangi
the
kamundele.
onion, you got the pepper.
Tala. Attention na ki rewind. Attention na ki rewind. So na ina face na bino kamundele zate bad vibes.
Like I was saying, my opinion, what we chose Kamundele, it depends how you make it and what you add to it, the onions, the peppers and all of that. Yeah, you say basic, that's you now. Your taste bud, that's you. But yeah,
I don't know what
Kamundele.
Kamundele you had, man. Kamundele, the ones I've had,
Exactly.
of course.
That's it.
Kamundele will give it.
Kamundele, bolinga te. When it's done well, you cannot deny it. It's a great party food. It's food you can have at home as a snack. When it's done well, it cannot be denied. So please put some respect on the kamundele. You get it?
And then number 3, tuzana soso ya mwamba.
I can't lie. Number fufu.
Flavors.
Soso a la mwamba. Soso a la mwamba. Free. Numéro 2, oza potra zaki ici comme on a Jésus. Ya Thomas. Azaki wana. Ya Thomas, Piodi. Héros national, polyvalent. You can go with anything.
Of course.
Yeah, there we go. Numéro 1.
Numéro 1, No doubt.
No doubt.
Let me get to number one. We've been waiting
doubt.
now.
Back in the days talk.
No doubt.
Taba.
That's it.
That's
There's no argument. There's no nothing.
You can
It's
have
silly
Taba.
boy.
Taba.
That's it.
Taba. The
Taba.
goat.
Taba to Limbio.
It's not even on top 5.
Jesus
Time
Christ.
I've heard.
Abomination.
Bakasele biso na communauté pamba. Tabazanga. Tabazangi top 5. Bakasele biso na communauté ya.
The thing is, yeah, with Taba, I feel like Tolimba Ongote.
It's the goat. Tokolemba ndenge nini?
Bakasele biso na communauté.
Ibanda na wapi?
Taba.
The thing is, yeah, it's
Taba. Do you know what Taba is? It's the goat of all goats. And people are here complaining, trying to say it's not top 1. I don't even know what to say. There's no competition. It's called the GOAT. It's really the GOAT, and that's it.
it's on the top 5, but it's just not more. It's just not number one. It's just not number 1.
If it's number 5, to Bunda Kasi.
Pardon. Bon, la côté numéro 5, Kamundele. Ok. Numéro 4, Thompson.
Okay.
Numéro 3, Malangwa. Because with Malangwa, you can make it in different super Malangwa.
Thank you.
Iboka Malangwa.
Thank you.
There's so many ways. Otomibe Malangwa. Malangwa. Sweet fish.
It's a serious one still.
All right, cool. Number 2 is not number. It's top 2, but ain't top 2, but it's not that deep. It's Taba.
So after all this, we'll highlight. Okay, go on.
You guys, that's what happens when you're too fast to talk.
Okay.
Anyway, and number 1 is the real meat. This one's a real meat.
Which one?
This one's a real meat. This one's a real meat. It replaces, you know, is that a gumoko?
Hey, so
Dendon's too sweet. You give Otumaka dendon.
Negative.
Dendon is too
No,
sweet.
Dendo was my quick go-to uni meal. Like,
Dendon is so nice.
Dendo number 1, really. But mami suni nyose mukileza me boponi Dendo number 1. Oh baby si ma solo. Dendo ntaba peza one, but you said Dendo number 1.
You know when you make dendon otono, yeah, they make it. That's the same way how we make taba. It comes out so nice. You can even fry it. There's so many ways to do dendon. It's such a dendon. That's my top 5. You guys win by default simply because of the bonus round. That's why we love the bonus round. We absolutely love it.
Well done to you.
For our team Congo boy.
What is that? Team Congo boy.
Team Congo boy.
Let's not Congo boy and
Congo boy Z.
no, Congo Brazzaville featuring.
Featuring.
You should put that on your mixtape. Put that on your mixtape. Guys, as you know, this has been La Liste Top 5. Merci à notre plateau. They are too lit, they're too vibesy, they are amazing. Everything that is Congolese culture lives on this show. We bring you everything that is amazing. Everything to do with Congo is right here on La Liste Top 5. I've been your favorite presenter, Sylvia K. Thank you so much. À la prochaine.